9 struggles only couples in a long-distance relationship will understand. Every long-distance relationship knows that distance comes with a price. If normal couples face struggles every day in their relationship, what more for people 1,000 miles apart? Whether big or small, these struggles are normal and should be dealt with maturely and effectively. Problems only arise whenever these are avoided or hidden away. Do not think that you and your partner are alone in these hardships. You should know that every relationship goes through these phases. And listed down below are 9 struggles only couples in a long-distance relationship will understand. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification button bell. Thanks for supporting our channel. 1. Slow communication. Have you ever had the urge to whack your computer screen because it takes so long to send a message to your partner because the signal is very slow? If yes, then you are not alone. Most long-distance relationship couples experience technical difficulties in their relationships. Sometimes the phone is not working or your internet ran out of data, and sometimes your computer has the nerve to crash during important video call moments. Unfortunately, this is pretty regular, and the only solution is to be patient and push the restart button. 2. Lack of support. Oftentimes, because of the mountains and oceans separating you and your partner, it isn't easy to be there to give your physical, emotional, and mental support. Whenever your girlfriend or boyfriend calls you to let you know that she or he had a bad day, you cannot be there even if you want to, and you cannot give him or her a hug and reassure your loved one that it is okay. This struggle is quite common and is sometimes a breaker in some relationships if one in the relationship is emotionally immature. 3. Hectic schedules. You and your partner are 2 different breathing beings, hence, even if you two are in a relationship, you will lead different lives, especially if you are involved with someone a few towns away from you. One of the most cited struggles of long-distance loving is the hectic schedule. School, work, extracurricular activities, you name it. There will be times that you will find yourself exhausted after a long day at work only to check your phone finally, and your partner has left you 34 missed calls and 57 messages. Yikes! Always remember, time management is the key. 4. Missing out. Since you and your boyfriend or girlfriend are apart, there will be times, or even a lot of times, that you will not be there for each other. In other words, you will miss out on a lot of things. The celebration of your partner's promotion, her first drive on her newly purchased car, your anniversary dinner, or even small things like she finally perfected the cupcake recipe she has been learning. It is quite saddening to know that this will happen for a fact, but it is quite unavoidable at times. The best thing to do is that if you cannot be there for small things, then be there for the big important things. One surely must not miss their loved one's birthday. 5. Longing. It is pretty impossible not to miss your boyfriend or girlfriend, especially if you do not see them every day. The feeling of longing will surely creep into you now and then, but it is nice to know that this is a typical struggle every long-distance relationship couple faces. The physical absence of your partner makes it hard for you to get through the day, and it is understandable. This struggle is even magnified if you are used to being with your partner every day, and suddenly he or she has to move away because of certain situations. But do not fret, and always note that even if he or she is not there, their love is like the wind. In other words, you can feel it. 6. Cancellations. Date cancellations are hard, but cancellations in long-distance relationships are painfully hard because you work and plan it for weeks, sometimes even months, for it to just go through the trash bin. Say goodbye to that beach trip, or to that restaurant date, or even that call that you have been waiting for hours. Sometimes cancellations are unavoidable because of unforeseen circumstances, so you must not blame your partner for it. A better way of coping with this is to think that there are other opportunities. Always keep the mind positive. 7. Relationship invaders. Since you are not commonly seen with your partner, it is easily understandable for other people to think you are on the market. Some will come up to you, flirt with you, or even invite you out to dinner. And the same thing will probably happen to your boyfriend or girlfriend too. The important thing is to politely decline and inform the person that, unfortunately, you already have a love of your life. There will be people who will back down nicely, and of course, there will be other people who will persist. The remedy to this: avoid preventing. 8. Misunderstandings. Misunderstandings are challenging to repair during a long-distance relationship. Why? Because you are not there to physically explain it to your loved one. Misunderstandings are also more likely to happen in this type of relationship. For example, if you send a goodnight text to your partner without a heart emoji in it, he or she might interpret it as there is something wrong, and your insistence that, in fact, nothing is wrong will lead them to think that you may be hiding it. And then voila, a misunderstanding is born. Even as simple as an emoticon can cause that. 9. Trust issues. This is not good, especially if either you or your partner had this before the relationship began. Trust issues can give birth to many other issues and struggles like jealousy, bad communication, or suffocation in a relationship. Maybe one thing that can help ease this struggle is never to make your partner feel left out. Always tell him or her what is happening with your day or what your thoughts are so that he or she will not feel that you are keeping secrets. Take note, doubt feeds trust issues. Never feed it and never water his or her insecurities. Love is everything it's cracked up to be. It really is worth fighting for, being brave for, risking everything for. Erica Jong. Please leave your comment below if you have anything to share with us. Thanks for watching our video.